Hello everyone, welcome again. Just making this video of um, why I switched to Verizon Fios instead of staying with Optimum Online. I've always been a cable customer, you know, really because my credit was shitty. I'm not going to sugarcoat it. My credit was shitty, and if you've ever applied for, I don't know, probably anything Verizon, except for their prepaid stuff, you know that they do a credit check. I've always been denied for Verizon because of my credit, right? I'm pretty sure some of you can relate. So Verizon, that's one of the things when you're going for them, a phone, a regular phone, or if you're going for their Fios, their TV or something like that, right? They do a credit check, which I used to have very bad credit. Right now, not so much, which is the reason why I now have Fios. So 3 reasons why I just got Fios is one, and this is I guess I should probably start with the last reason first, and then go to the number 1 reason why I switched. So the last reason, as I just touched on, I now have better credit, right? Where when I apply, I've been paying my bills on time, keeping down my credit limit, making sure my credit score don't go really far. I'm watching it, but don't really care much because I'm still doing what I need to do. But obviously, if it gets better, that's great. Right. Reason number 2 is obviously faster speed. Ridiculous, right? I just had the 1 gig plan, which prior to me getting it, and this is going to go into my number 1 reason. I'm like, I'm not getting a 1 gig plan. Like, how much is that? Like $150 a month? Like, I'm not that stupid to get paying $150 a month for just an internet packet. Get out of here with that crap. So yeah, I've always shut off Verizon Fios because I thought the price was like insane for my needs. When I signed up for it, I got the 1 gig plan for that was within my budget. So that's going to lead into the reason number 1. The main reason why I got Verizon Fios is I found out the price was $79.99, and it wasn't a promotional price. It also included the rental fee for your Verizon Fios modem if you get the 1 gig plan. So you don't have to pay this extra rental like you do on most internet package. I don't know if you're aware, but if you don't have your own modem, right? If you don't have your own modem, you're paying, and you get a modem from your internet service provider, whoever it is, you're paying for that maintenance fee on that modem/router. Typically, it's like $10, $11 every month that you're paying for. Now, if you bring your own modem, that saves you that $10 bill or that $11 bill. However, as you know, if that device messes up for any reason, the internet service provider is not going to troubleshoot it. It's not their device. It's not their concern. You have to be the one to troubleshoot it. So most users, some users, well, let me not say most because I'm not sure of the numbers, but some users will just find it easier to just pay that $10, $11 fee a month and, at least make sure their device is covered. So if they call in about any problems, they'll get it resolved without worrying too much about any additional technical issues on that device. Putting those things together, I had a better credit now, so I was able to get the package. Verizon was offering a faster speed, right, compared to what I was paying for, and it wasn't that much difference in the price. Again, $79.99, and this was, according to Verizon, not a promotional price, right? If you're on their website, this is $79.99 as long as you, I think you do auto pay. As long as you do auto pay, that's going to be the price. And though I'm using their modem, right? You remember what I said? Typically, when you use the internet service provider's modem, you have to pay this rental fee or maintenance fee, which is about $11 a month. With the 1 gig plan, right? That 1,000 up, 1,000 down, the 1 gig plan, you don't have to pay maintenance fee for that rental modem, for that modem. Right, it's actually included in that $79.99 price. So like, this is amazing. On top of that, you do get other things which I don't really care too much about because I had my own subscription. So you get 1 year of Hulu, 1 year of Disney Plus, and I got a game, a trial for a game. Not a trial, but an actual copy of the Avengers, and what else? There was something else, but I didn't need it, so I didn't get it. But that was awesome, man. That was awesome. So I don't know who else was jumping on that deal, but I'm like, this is amazing. But obviously, I'm only a couple months into Verizon Fios. Everything is great so far. I would, obviously want to follow up within a year, especially to see if that price changes. 'Cause on their website, this is not going to change. This is going to, the price is going to be the same. And those other subscription, obviously, they're going to end unless I continue. They're going to continue and probably bill me separately unless I continue. But those I'm not worried about. That's Hulu is Hulu. Disney Plus is obviously Disney. So those are separate services I have to worry about when the time comes. But as far as my Verizon Fios bill at $79.99 for a 1 gig plan, that is friggin' amazing. Right, router included. So I'm gonna just do a speed test here to see what it's showing as my speed. And this is with everything connected, my cameras, multiple computers and phones, my UMA phone system, my printer, wireless router, Minecraft server. This is with everything connected. So let's see what the speed is going to come up to be, if it's going to get close to that 900. Sometimes it falls a little short, but so far it's idling where you see it is. And again, this is with everyone online. Not exactly where I'd like it to be. Sometimes my upload is way better than my download. You can see the upload is going up as compared to the download speed. And I like to do it again. I'll do it the first time, get the numbers. So there you can see the numbers. I'm going to scroll down. I'm sorry, I'm going to just hit go to do it again and see what comes up. And I'm going to try with a few different websites here. And again, typically when you're doing these speed tests, according to Verizon, it's best that you plug in directly with a cable, directly to the modem / router. So that would be your Fios device, right? That Quantum device, whatever it is, that's typically the one for the Fios router. You plug into that device and disconnect everything else and do your speed test. So you can see I'm not doing that here because actually everything is connected to it. So I'm going to see a drop. But in either case, even this is great, right? Remember what I was paying for with Optimum? 200 down, 40 up, right? Much better numbers here for almost the same price, right? So let's see the next one, Speak Easy. When you're doing these things, you do it with from different sources. I'm going to start speed tests, and let's see what it shows. So you can see this is showing average the same as speedtest.net for the download. And you can see my upload there, again, is a little lower than speedtest.net, but again, okay. We're all online right now, so I'm going to expect some of that to go down. One more website I like to go is fast.com. So this is what is it? Netflix. You can see here in the bottom right, that it is powered by Netflix. So this is where you go to find out if you could like watch certain videos like 4K videos, right? You can see obviously my internet speed here is way higher. This is showing, this is I like to use this because it actually shows my full speed. It will show the 1 gig, better than the speed test and the speak easy. And I'll do it multiple times. You can see before I got the 940, now I'm getting the 850. I'm going to do it again and see if it's going to go up a little higher. So you can see it's going to be in the 800, 900. So I was trying to get that 1 gig, because sometimes I get that 1 gig or 1.1. So I want to see, it's going to be in the 800 again. But yeah, you can see, pretty good. Even with everyone on right now, it's great. Can't complain. So far it's been pretty good. We have 4 kids who are all virtual, working from home. So just being able to have better internet speed and not have to be worried about the community affecting your internet speed because of shared bandwidth. Just having that direct connection to our home is just awesome. So there you go, the 3 reasons why I switched to Verizon Fios. Again, I'll just go over them. With Fios, your credit needs to be in good standard for them. I'm not sure what their criteria is, but they do run a credit check. Right, that I know. The second criteria was faster speed. Right. What I was paid for with Comcast / Optimum, I was able to get a way better speed for the price that I was paying there. And the final reason is what I just touched on, is price. Right? It was within my budget. I was never going to pay $150 or more for a 1 gig internet package. Right? So when I saw this package for $80, I was like, what? This is it. So yeah, so far so good. We're loving it, and hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day.